Hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube videos from your school or home whereby the Wi-Fi is blocked from accessing YouTube and proxy server. I advise you guys to watch the full video for full understanding on how you can do it properly. Firstly, I'm going to show you guys what it means to be restricted from accessing a YouTube channel or YouTube itself, and also from accessing a proxy website, that is by using a proxy website to bypass it. I'm going to show you what it means to be restricted from using it at all. As you can see, your connection is non-private. Yeah, this is because they have banned me, like, they restricted me from accessing any proxy website. As a result of that, you won't I'm not going to be able to access any proxy website, because the system will automatically detect it that you are trying to access a proxy website or you are trying to use a VPN. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube video in your home, school, in public places, or wherever you are, if you won't be restricted by the Wi-Fi. Firstly, we are going to click or go to www.viewpure.com, like viewpure.com, and then you click, you enter. Then you can see the space bar, which is the empty space bar, which says enter YouTube URL or search term. All we need to do is copy a YouTube video link and paste it there, or we can either also write the name, search on the name. Or I prefer you go to YouTube, you go to Google, create new tab, and then search for whatever you want to watch. For me, it's JJ Okocha highlight. So now I'm going to right click here, right click and copy link address, then go to your view pure tab and paste it. You can either use Ctrl V or you use the manual. Now click on purify, and this purify is going to take you to the YouTube video. Now you can click play. As you can see, you have the option to pause the video, to fast forward, to mute, and to increase the volume, and also to adjust the resolution. Either you can put the resolution in, you can select HD, HD, 1080p, what's 480 to 40, and also you have the option to select the full screen. Also, if the subtitle is available, you can also turn on the subtitle if it is available for that video or that particular video that you are trying to watch. So now I'm going to show you guys the second method on how you can watch YouTube videos from a restricted Wi-Fi network. Firstly, I'm going to go back, like cancel this ones, close the tab, and then you have to search for. So we are going to input YouTube unblocker and then extension, which is on your Google search and then click this particular one. Yeah, so now you are going to click on add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, add extension. After that, you are going to click on add this extension and that button at the top right corner, and then click on unblock for YouTube. If it didn't work, you can close the browser and re-enter again. After it showed connected, you are going to click on type your youtube.com. Okay, now here we are, so you can watch whatever you want to watch. So guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share to your loved ones. If you have any problem or it worked for you, please don't hesitate to let me know.